Hey, so you want to know how to build a business online, and I'm going to tell you exactly how it's done. I'm going to show you in this video exactly how to do it. I'm sorry, the sun is, in my face right now. It's early in the morning. It's 7:56 a.m. on 6/27/2022, and I just want to show you some results that I'm having. As you can see right here, I'm on the leaderboards for this week, this opportunity, and it actually teaches you about marketing. So if you've never had any results online, then you came to the right place, because I'm going to show you exactly how I'm making sales. I'm going to be totally transparent with you and show you exactly how it's done, so you understand how to build a business online, right? So here's some of my results right here. As you can see, I just had a sale come in at 5:49 a.m. when I was sleeping, and it's $100 monthly commission. This is a rebill, so people are continuing to get this course and get this information to learn. And these are people that I personally have on my team. They're my students and people that are working with me to actually make money online. um, as you can see right here, this was 3 days ago. This is another $100 a month commission, which it's monthly. It's a rebill, so this happens every single month. And then here was one and this was 4 days ago. And here's another $100 a month commission. So these things happen every single month, and you actually get $120 per month, because you have this funnel builder right here. And this funnel builder tool is what it allows you to do is, if you have online business, it's pretty much like the doors to your business. So people come to this page, they put in their email, and when they put in their email, they get onto your email list. So it's pretty much like the doors to your online business, right? Because you need a way to retain contact information when people come to your site. You need a way to retain them, so you could actually give them value, and you could actually help them to build their business online, and you could keep in contact with them. Without having a way to actually retain them, you have no way to keep in contact with them. You have no way to build a know, like, and trust factor. This is everything. And this funnel builder tool right here is what's allowed me to make money online, because it's a tool that you could use. You could customize. Like, I could go in here and I could change certain things, but this is how it's done online. And then you have a contact manager, which here is the subscribers on my list as we speak right now, of time of recording of this video. There's 4,550 people on my list right now, and this allows you to actually house those contacts, and it allows you to send out broadcasts. So if you've been getting my emails through your emails, here's exactly what allows me to do that. And you could pretty much promote anything you want to your email list. I give my email list value. I teach my people on my email list how to market online, so they could actually make money and grow any business opportunity. So here's how you do it. You need those things in order to make money online, because without them, you have no way to build a business online, right? So this is what happens. And then this is why you're getting multiple different emails and multiple different offers, because people, after you have this sales funnel system set up in place, then you can actually promote whatever you want to your list. And I'm doing this video right now because I had somebody from my team actually ask me how this all works. So I figured I would do a video to be able to help you guys out, to know the importance of what I'm trying to offer you and the support that I'm trying to offer you, so you're not left alone trying to figure this all out by yourself, right? And that's how you make money online, because they come to this, let's say from a YouTube video, they go to the description and they watch your video, they go to the description, they put their email in, their name and their email, and then they get the information. They get on your email list, which is right here, is connected, and then you're able to make sales in your sleep. You're able to make these commissions in your sleep. This is why these are made at 5:49 a.m. in the morning and 4:31 a.m. You know, I was sleeping when these commissions came in, right? I wasn't awake. I wasn't out sending emails. I simply set it up through my through my autoresponder, and I allow that to do the work for me. Now I could either send out a broadcast, which is a one-time email to my entire list, and that's what I normally do if I have something important to share, or I could send out campaigns, which are a series of follow-up emails that actually go out on certain days. Now, I use both methods. If I have something that I want to share with you, I will send you a broadcast, right, and it'll go to the people on my list. So that's how it works, and I'm going to show you, exactly what this is. I'm going to show you what the $100 commissions are. $100 commissions were the HBA traffic and conversions portion. So this funnel builder tool right here is what this is right here. This allows you to build out your funnels, right? And then I'm going to show you exactly what this is. So when you get in here, you're going to learn all about marketing. You're going to learn how to actually connect in the community. Then you're going to learn how to build any business online in 3 simple steps. And then you're going to set up your page builder. So you're going to set up your domain in your autoresponder, and that's what's going to allow you to actually have an online business to start, getting traffic and getting people onto your list, which I'm going to go over that more in my private group that I just made for the people who join me. I'm going to go over that training, right? And then you go over, exactly how to create your pages and how to set it all up, and how to actually do, tracking, and how to do a membership site, how to sell your own products, how to do all that, how to book your appointments. You're going to learn so much within just this funnel builder tool alone. This funnel builder tool is only $25 a month, and it gives you a $20 commission. So that means anybody using this tool, you will get a $20 a month commission. Then when people normally use a funnel builder, they want to know how to get traffic, and exactly how to do it, right? So when you have your funnel set up, you have to get traffic, you have to get people to see what you have to offer. So this teaches you all this stuff. So when you were seeing those $100 commissions, this is exactly what this is. And it teaches you all about traffic. It teaches you all about mindset, who your target market is, how to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is what you give away in exchange for the email. So if you were giving something away right here, it would be a PDF, or it would be a video that explains something. This is exactly what a lead magnet is. And then you're going to learn how to do free methods of, advertising. The free methods could be, launching your business, inviting people to see what you have to offer, then following up with people. You're going to learn how to get leads on Facebook, which are people who are interested on Facebook. You're going to learn how to actually, do different things like how to blog, how to rank your videos on YouTube. So when people are searching for your videos and they find you, that's exactly what happens. And they go to the description, they get on your email list by putting their name and their email in, and that's how it happens, right? And then you're going to learn different things like LinkedIn. You're going to learn how to actually get people from Facebook and do Facebook advertising. And you're going to learn how to launch your own, product. So you might do a presentation, give value on the front end, explain on the front end, and sell on the back end. And that's called a launch. You're going to learn how to do that. Then you're going to also learn other paid methods. The paid methods are through text messaging, solo ads, which are a one-time email, which go out to another email marketer's list. From there, they click on the link, then you get onto another list. And that's probably what happened to you if you're watching from my email list. That's probably how you ended up on my list and other people's lists as well. They probably did a one-time ad from a marketer's list. You were on their list. Then you went to see their offer. You put your email in and you ended up on their list. That's how it happens, right? And then you can learn Facebook ads. You're going to also learn how to do Facebook video ads. So you're going to be able to get traffic. When you upgrade to the traffic and conversions portion, you're going to be able to make $120 per month online per sign up. And it's going to build your residual income, so that way you could actually build and grow your online business and learn at the same time. And then you're going to learn about conversions. Conversions are how to close your leads, and then how to onboard people the right way, so that way they're not lost and confused. You're also going to have access to our daily and weekly mastermind trainings, which are live by Zoom, so you get to actually see and talk to somebody by video when you are a platinum or a premium member. And so you're going to be able to actually get on a Zoom call and get all your questions answered and learn in our community, which is really, really cool. And it gives you $100 a month commission on top of the $20 for the funnel builder. So that's how it works. And then there's also a financial literacy academy, which teaches you all about how to manage your business, how to eliminate debt, and financial literacy. And then you're going to know how to do your taxes in your business, and how to save money on your taxes in your business, and how to keep your records the right way, so that way you're not overtaxed and everything like that. Then when you start making money, you have to invest, so you don't get taxes taken out. When you invest your money, you start to be able to make money online. So this is the things that you're going to learn. This gives you a $400 commission. It's a one-time buy. So that's what happens when you get all in. You have the potential of earning over $500 per sign-up with this opportunity. And if you get in with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you into our private Facebook group, where you will learn from me exactly what I'm doing to get results, and you will know how to do it, and how to start getting results online and making money online. So you're going to want to click on the link below this video or within the email, and get started today, and also get into the free Facebook group. It's in the link in the video description, where we do a lot of coaching and training and everything like that, but it's not the private Facebook group where the team members are. So make sure you get into that Facebook group as well. It's a public group, it's a free group, it's not for training, but you'll get a lot of value from it. And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. All right, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.